Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by the name Gabriel. You can call me Gabby Angel. In this video, I redesigned the Chrome logo and completely black, gray and white color. So guys, let's start. Open your Adobe Illustrator, come to new file. Change your unit to inches. Enter 5 inches with 5 inches height. Make sure your color mode is RGB color, not CMYK. After that, command create. So we are using the 5 by 5 inches square. So guys, after that, come to view, click on show grid, come to view again, click on snap to grid. After that, select your ellipse tool, hold down shift and drag it like this. After that, turn off the fill color and maintain the stroke color. After that, command Ctrl plus C and command Ctrl plus F. After that, hold down Shift and Alt to scale it like this. After this, command Ctrl C plus Ctrl F and also command Shift plus Alt to close it like this again. So after that, pick your line segment 2. Drag from here to this anchor point. After that, make sure that you have selected the line segment layer. Pick the rotate tool, hold down the Alt key, click in the middle of this circle, enter 120 degrees and command copy. So guys, after that, command Ctrl D to duplicate. Let's zoom it back. After that, pick your selection tool, highlight everything, pick your shape builder tool, hold down Alt to delete this segment like this by a click and dragging. After that, let's fill the colors. In this video, I don't want us to use the original Chrome colors, so I am using just black, white and gray colors only. So let's continue. Make sure that you have selected the shape builder tool. Then turn this color to black. Let's click here. Let's change this color to, okay, let's change this color to gray like this. After that, let's change this color to deep gray like this. Okay. Let's reduce the gray small like this. After that, let's fill inside. Step by step, line by line, bringing every dream to life. Stay focused, stay sharp, let the creativity like this. So after that, select the selection tool, highlight all the layers and turn off the stroke. So guys, as you can see, we are having our Chrome logo ready. So if we want to use the original Chrome colors, it is very simple. And select our shape builder tool, and we can also select this layer and pick our shape builder tool and change the color to yellow and fill here too. Choose the selection tool, click on this layer, select your shape builder tool, click inside the colors, select your green color and fill inside this. After that, pick your selection tool again, click inside this circle, click on the selection, click on the shape builder tool, change the colors, and let's pick the blue color, then fill it. So guys, as you can see, we are now having the original Google Chrome logo. If you find this video useful, kindly like the video, comment, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel so that anytime you upload any new video, you'll be the first person to watch. Also, don't forget to share to your loved ones. This is Gabriel for Gabby Angel Designs. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Gabby Angel Design.